Good morning all of you. Today we will discuss about the solution of this question. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial 9x square minus 9 into a plus b into x plus 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. Okay, so in solution, first of all, we write our polynomial px is equals to 9x square minus 9 into a plus b into x plus 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. Yes or no? Our polynomial contains three terms. 9x square is first term, minus 9 into a plus b into x is second term, and 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square is our third term and constant term. Okay, our constant term can be written as in a single bracket. Yes or no? Okay, now we find the zeros of this polynomial. Okay, so for zeros, what is zeros? Those values of x for which px is equal to 0 are known as zeros of that polynomial. So here for finding zeros, we take px is equal to 0. Yes or no? Here we can put the value of px, that is 9x square minus 9 into a plus b into x plus 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square is equal to 0. Yes or no? Okay, so before solving this question या factorization, our constant term is also a polynomial in the terms of small a or small b. Yes or no? ठीक है. So first of all we factorize it. Yes or no? So here we use by factorization method. Yes or no? ठीक है. 2a स्क्वायर प्लस 5ab प्लस 2b स्क्वायर. अगर हम इस टर्म को ऑब्जर्व करें तो यहाँ a की पावर कितनी आ रही है? 2, फिर a की पावर सिंगल और फिर a की पावर 0. इट मीन्स इट इज ए पॉलिनोमियल इन स्मॉल a. Yes or no? From left to right. If we observe from right to left, b square, b raised to the power 1 and b raised to the power 0. It means it is also a quadratic polynomial in the terms of small b. Yes or no? Okay, so we first of all we factorize it. Yes or no? So we can write 2a square plus 5 into b into a plus 2b square. Yes or no? So what is our first step of factorization method? That is multiply the coefficient of a square with constant term. So here we get 2 into 2b square, that is equals to 2 to the 4b square. Yes or no? Now we want to write the pairs in such a way whose addition gives 5b. Yeah, whose addition gives 5b. Yes or no? So we factorize 4b square. It can be written as 2 into 2 into b into b. Yes or no? If we take 2 to the 4 and b as one pair, yeah, as one factor, that is 4b and other is b, then it gives 4b plus b, 5b. Yes or no? So here we can replace 5b by 4a plus b. So here we can write 4b plus b. Yes or no? Now we multiply with a. So here we can write 2a square plus 4b into a, 4ab plus b into a, ab, or plus 2b square. Yes or no? After that we will take common in the pairs of 2. Yes or no? So here we take common 2a. Okay, remember that quantity which we take common divide by each term. So here 2a square is divided by 2a, 2 1 ja 2, a से इसकी power cancel a, plus 2 2 ja 4, 2 a से cancel b. Yes or no? Here we take common b, that quantity which we take common divided by each term. It means ab is divided by b, b से b cancel a, plus 2b square is divided by b, b से इसकी power cancel 2b. Yes or no? Here we take common a plus 2b in both terms, then a plus 2b. Yes, that quantity which we take common divide by each term. So here a plus 2b is cancelled by this, so we get 2a. A plus 2b is cancelled by this, it means we get plus b. Yes or no? So 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square can be written as a plus 2b into 2a plus b. Yes or no? Okay, so here we can write 9x square minus 9 into a plus b into x plus 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square can be replaced by a plus 2b into 2a plus b equals to 0. Yes or no? After that we want to find a factorize of LHS. So here we apply by factorization method. By factorization method or by splitting middle term, because factorization method is also named as by splitting middle term. Yes or no? So here we multiply the coefficient of x square, that is 9, with constant term, that is a plus 2b into 2a plus b. Yes or no? After that we factorize it. 9 can be written as 3 into 3 into a plus 2b into 2a plus b. Yes or no? Now we want to write two pairs such as whose addition gives 9 into a plus b. Yes or no? So here we take 3 with a plus 2b and another 3 with 2a plus b. So here we can write 3 into a plus 2b and 3 into a 2a plus b. Yes or no? Okay. After that, yes, 3 into 2a plus 2b plus 3 into 2a plus b gives 9 into a plus b. How? So we can write 3 into a, 3a plus 3 into 2b, 3 2 ja 6b plus 3 into 2a, 3 2 ja 6a plus 3 into b, 3b. Yes or no? 3a plus 6a can be written as 9a. 6b plus 3b can be written as 9b. Here we take common 9. That quantity which we take common divide by each term. 9 से 9 cancel a, 9 से 9 cancel b. So it get 9 into a plus b. Yes or no? It means 9 plus 9 into a plus b. 9 into a plus b can be replaced by this plus this. So here we can write 9x square minus 9 into a plus b can be replaced by 3 into a plus 2b plus 3 into 2a plus b. X write as it is plus a plus 2b into 2a plus b is equals to 0. Yes or no? After that we multiply with x or minus. Yes or no? So we can write 9x square minus plus minus 3 into a plus 2b or into x. Yes or no? Minus plus minus 3 into 2a plus b into x and plus a plus 2b into 2a plus b or is equals to 0. Okay. Now we take common in the pairs of 2. Yes or no? So here we take common 3x. Remember that quantity which we take common divide by each term. So here 9x square is divided by 3x. 3 3 ja 9. X से x की power cancel. Minus 3 से 3 cancel. X से x cancel. So here we can write a plus 2b. Yes or no? Here we take common minus 2a plus b. Remember that quantity which we take common divided by each term. So 2a plus b is cancelled by this 2a plus b. So here we can write 3 into x, 3x plus minus minus and 2a plus b is cancelled by this. So here we get a plus 2b is equals to 0. Yes or no? Here we take common 3x minus a plus 2b into both terms. 3x minus a plus 2b. Remember that quantity which we take common divide by each term. So this 3x minus a plus b is cancelled by this. So then we get 3x. ठीक है? Minus 3x minus a plus b is cancelled by this. Then we get 2a plus b equals to 0. Yes or no? Okay. The product of two quantities or numbers should be equals to 0 if and only if either one of them or both of them should be equals to 0. Yes or no? ठीक है? If we take first number is 0, 0 into 5 or 3 into 0, yeah, 0 into 0. Then we get 0 in all case. It means the product of दो नंबर का प्रोडक्ट या दो क्वांटिटी का प्रोडक्ट जीरो कब होगा? जब उनमें से या तो पहले वाली जीरो हो या दूसरी वाली क्वांटिटी जीरो या दोनों ही जीरो. यस और नो? ओके. दिस रूल इज नोन एज जीरो प्रोडक्ट लॉ. तो वाई जीरो प्रोडक्ट लॉ. यस और नो? ओके. सो इफ वी टेक 3x minus a plus 2b is equals to 0. ठीक है? और if we take 3x minus 2a plus b is equals to 0. Yes or no? Now we applying transposition rule. Okay. So if we shift minus a plus 2b from LHS to RHS, then its sign get positive. And we can write 3x equals to a plus 2b. Yes or no? Here we also again applying transposition rule. So when we shift this 3 from LHS to RHS, it get in divide. Then we get our first zeros, that is a plus 2b upon 3. Yes or no? Similarly, if we apply transposition rule, then we get 3x equals to 2a plus b. ठीक है? And x equals to 2a plus b upon 3. This is our second zeros. Yes or no? So our zeros, hence yes, so our zeros of px is equals to a plus 2b upon 3 and 2a plus b upon 3. Yes or no? That's it.